For this graph, we want to find the equation for the function that's represented here. The first thing to notice is that we have an asymptote on the y-axis. And when you have an asymptote on the y-axis, that means that it'll be pretty easy to write it as a cotangent function because that's x equals 0, and cotangent of 0 is undefined. So we're going to start here with a cotangent function, we'll have cotangent of something. Cotangent does start high and then go down low, so there's no reflection happening here. We know that the inside here will have a number times an x, and there's no shift, so it won't be plus or minus anything. But to find that number, we need to look at the period. And the period is, of course, the horizontal distance for a single cycle. It's easy to see that, like here, where the intercept from 2 to 6, that's a distance of 4. And so our period here is 4. And the number here in front is pi over that number. So we'll have a pi over 4 and then times x. And then this middle point, of course, if there was a vertical shift, it would be up or down, but it's at 0, so there's no vertical shift after this. And then the last thing to consider is a number in front. And that number in front is found by going halfway between this point in the middle and an asymptote, which would be here at 1, and finding how high it goes. So we go up, it goes 1, 2, 3, and it looks like it's going halfway there. So that looks like a 3.5 to me. And so that'd be 3.5 times the cotangent of pi over 4x. And so there is our equation for this graph.